Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about these little black velvet gift pouches. These are such a great idea. I was going to visit a lot of friends and family, and I had a bunch of little gifts that I wanted to give. These little gift pouches from GYBest are perfect if you have a little jewelry gift or something small that you want to give. It is the perfect size. I like that these come in a set of 50, so you're not going to run out of them. They're also great if you're having a party and you needed to use gift pouches. I like also that they're very durable. So they're a nice black velvet and the cords are braided, so when they get pulled, they are going to last. I like that if I'm giving this as a gift to someone, you know, something inside of here, it's a little pouch that they can keep. It's not going to go to waste. They don't have to throw it away. They can continue to use it. I think they're a great deal because they come in a set of 50. They're great quality and they just look really cute. So if you're looking for a gift bag, I'd highly recommend these ones from GYBest. I think they are such cute little gift pouches. I love them, and that's my point of view.